Hey, welcome back. So in this video, we will discuss about the unary operators in JavaScript. Okay. So in the last video, we have seen something like this. So let age equals to 10. And then what we can do here, we can do to update the age. So age equals to age plus, let's do 10 once again. And then we can do console log of age. So we are getting 20 here. So this is all good, but there is a shorthand syntax for this one. Okay. So here, what I'll do, I'll just get rid of this one. Okay. And then what we can do age plus equals to, so plus equals to 10. So if I just do that, as you can see, this is all good. So we are getting 20 here. So this line and this line is equivalent. Okay. Then we have the minus equals to as well. So age minus equals to of 2. So we are getting 18 here. Okay. Then we can do something like multiplier here. So let multiplier, not this one. So let's do multiplier equals to 2. Okay. And then what we can do something like this. Age star equals to 2. Okay. So as you can see, we are getting 36. So I hope that you get the idea. Also, we have divide equals as well, but most of the time we use something like this. Okay. So plus equals and minus equals. Most of the time you will see these two things. Okay. So this is how we can update the variables. Okay. Now, many of the times what you want to update the variable by 1 or decrease the variable by 1. To do so, what we can do, we can use the unary operators. So one of the unary operator, we have seen that. Okay. That is the typeof operator. Okay. So if I just do something like this, typeof, okay, age, it is a number. So why unary? Because this typeof operator has only one side. And same goes for the other operators, which I will be showing it to you in a moment. All right. So here, what I can do, I can go here. Okay. So let me just comment out these ones. So age is now 10. Now to increment the age by 1, what we can do age equals to or plus equals to 1. Okay. So this is good. Or there is even shorter syntax here. So age plus plus. If I just do that, as you can see, we are getting 12. So this line and this line is equivalent. Okay. So age plus plus. All right. Also, we have to decrement the age as well. So to decrement the age, we have the age minus minus. So it will decrement the age by 1. So this is the unary operator. Why unary? Because these operators has only one side. Okay. So this is the unary operator in action. Okay. So in this video, we have discussed about updating the variables and we have discussed about the unary operators in JavaScript.